Hello everyone, this is Shiravi and welcome back to my YouTube channel, that is my booktube channel, The Caffeinated Reader. So how are all of you doing? I hope you are doing very good, you are in great health and happiness. The month of festivities is still going on, and not for that, I hope and pray that you are all doing well and you are good in your mental health, in your physical health, in every way you should be great. So okay, coming to today's video is my big billion day purchases, all the books I bought in the Flipkart sale. Now let me say first one thing, this time the sales were not that great, like not on an average of 100 rupees. Of course there were very good deals, but not like the previous year, but I don't mind, because if you even get like 50% off and 60% off, or like 50 rupees off, 60 rupees off, that's also good, because at least you are getting some off. But this time the books deals were not that less as I thought would be, because the pandemic was going on and I thought the business would not be that great, and so they would give much sale off and discounts, but it was not that. But no grudges, no issues, I just bought some very good deals and good books, and I'm so happy to share with you all, and it is the unboxing video. And without any further ado, let's get started. Now guys, you honestly don't know how much excited I was when the packages were arriving, like every day one or the other books were to come. Like this one, I guess, yes, this one arrived yesterday, and that's it. I just told my parents that that's it, tomorrow I'm going to do the shooting of the video, and even if the natural calamities are okay, trust me guys, you don't know how much I was waiting for the day to do the unboxing. One of the packages is from the Big Savings Day, and I have kept it like this in the packed situation. Bibliophile will get it. I have kept it in this way, like the one of them. Okay, fine, I will say it when I open it. Like I kept it in this way for so many days, like more than 1 month, and I was every day I used to come and see the packages, and I used to do like just embrace it or with the soft fingers, and just like this I would sleep with it. Honestly, I was doing this, and finally when yesterday my last package arrived, I was like, that's it, I'm not going to delay anymore, I'll go and shoot it right tomorrow. So yes, sorry for the shitty blabbering and sorry for boring you with my excitement. Now let's get into today's video. So now let's start with the smaller packages. Let me keep the bigger one for the last, because ultimate satisfaction. And let's start with the plastic packages, that is the smaller ones, and ultimately we'll go to the bigger ones. And please ignore the noise, they are doing the construction there, and I just can't say, go and say them, hi, please stop it. You can understand it, so please tolerate it. Okay, so the first one is from the Big Savings Day. Now Big Savings Day, this package was the best steal deal I got till date, trust me, and we'll get to see why. Let's start. It's more than 1 month I haven't opened the package. You get it, right? How much excited I am. The satisfaction of opening plastic packages, and any package that has book in it or anything you so dearly love and are waiting, that's very rare. I even don't need to see the bill, because I remember it so nicely. Oh my god. Okay. So can you guess it? Okay, fine, I won't do this again. So I bought a combo, and the combo is one is The Alchemist by Paulo Coelho, and next the Ikigai, the Japanese art of secret living. Now both of these books are very famous. Now let me tell you, both these books together was costing $7.99 in normal price, and I got these two as a combo for only $2.40. That is including the delivery charge, and the delivery charge was only 10 rupees. So I got it for $2.30 each, like $2.30 together. So you can understand, like it was the best still, because Ikigai and Alchemist together they were costing $800, and both are worth the price, and I was getting for $2.30. So without any further delay, I just ordered it. Even before I knew it, I just ordered it. My fingers just clicked buy now. That's it. That was it. Okay, let me check if they are pirated. Obviously I can't change now even if they are, but still let me check it if they are pirated. Doesn't seem pirated because the prints are good, fonts are nice, proper shape and the way I like it. Okay, Alchemist, no issues. After so many days I opened it, I'm so happy, you know. And the Ikigai. Ikigai too, see? I don't think it's pirated. It's nice. I downloaded the Ikigai PDF and the ebook format, you know. I got it from a common platform, common resource, and I was just going to start, and that moment I got the deal, and I just wanted to, because I was investing my time for this. Honestly, I wanted to read this in paperback or hard copy or whatever, in physical stuff, and when I got it, I was so happy. So yes, Alchemist I read some 2-3 years ago, but couldn't complete fully. So this time I'm going to do it. So the first 2 books. Now next, let's come to the next package. Okay, which one? This one or this one? Let's start with this. Okay, this one is from Big Billion Day Sale, and I loved the book, and I was waiting to read the book, you know, like from a very long time, and I had the ebook also, but then I got this book, and it's a very renowned non-fiction book. Guess it if you had already guessed it before I open it. Okay. This was so hyped. I used to see in Bookstagram, then book bloggers, then many other booktubers saying this, and I always wanted to read this book because I have recently developed a very good liking for non-fiction. I just wanted to see what they needed to offer to us. Okay. And it's, where is the bill? Okay, wait, let me show you. Okay, this is Tuesday with Morrie. Now this book costs $2.95 and I got it for this one costs $2.95 and I got it for, wait, I think I got it for $120 or $121, something like that. Okay, I don't know, the bill isn't inside. Okay, I will just check in my mobile and I will say at the last if I don't find it. Okay, so yes, this book Tuesday with Morrie, and I was just waiting for the book to go into sale or any other platforms. I wanted to read it in paperback format or hardcover format, physical stuff. Now let's check if it is pirated, because Flipkart usually does pirating things. It's good. I'm happy. See it, right? It's nice. So yes, the next book, Tuesday with Morrie. Okay, so I was just checking where was the bill and all, and then I found it was inside the book. What a dumb person I am. I just checked the book and I didn't see the page. Really? Okay, let's start. So this book is for 202, gross amount it was 202 and I got it for 171. Not that great a price, but again it's okay. Like, you are getting at least 20-30 rupees off, and it's okay, and I was waiting to read the book. So either way, it's fine. So it was it. Okay, so we are done with 3 books, and now let's come to the next book, and this time we will go from this side. Okay. This book, oh god, I was waiting for so long a time. Really is. Let's not blabber more. I'm sad. I didn't get a bookmark till now from Flipkart. That's bad. One bookmark also not there till now. Okay, keeping fingers crossed. And it's Aristotle and Dante Discover the Secrets of the Universe. Sorry for the over dramatic sense of mine, but honestly this book, like, I saw it in Bookstagram, then book blogging, then Goodreads reviews, and first I thought it's something scientific or literature, something of that related to astronomy or something, but then it's a love story of 2 boys and how they overcome and how they discover the secrets of the universe, and it's so amazing. Like, the cover itself is so amazing. You can see, right? Like, I just wanted to have it. I just didn't want to read it in ebook format. Like, I just wanted to have the copy and that's it. I just wanted to have it. And so despite the stuff being so costly, I still, in fact, it was the costliest in the sale, but I still thought I will buy it. Okay, so its pricing was 240. Its original price is 299 and I got it for 249. Not that great a sale or not that great a offer, but I wanted to have it. And so this was the fourth book, Aristotle and Dante Discover the Secrets of the Universe. Now let's start with the unboxing of the next books. Since it's so tightly packed, I am afraid that by cutting it, I will cut the book even. Yes. A little more. Oh, sorry. I used to cut it this side. The only workout of hands I really like to do, unpacking. It's the Devdutt Patnaik's Myth Equal to Mithya. Now I really loved his column Durga writes a letter to his father. I will attach that Navratri video in the last place, and since I loved him and he is a great mythology writer, speaker of our country, and I wanted to know more about his writings and more about the culture, so I ordered it. Its original price is $2.99 and sale price. Why am I not able to find the bills at the proper time? Okay, fine, I will say it at the last. What is the price? Right now, let's not waste time. Nice. I wanted to have a mythology of his, and so I have it. So yes, Myth Equal to Mithya by Devdutt Patnaik. Okay, now let's go to the next book. Nice. This was the most unplanned book I bought, because I was planning to buy another one and the sale was on and I didn't find that book, so I thought, okay, let's buy it. Okay. And it's again a Paulo Coelho book, 11 Minutes by him. Now all the books we have seen till now and all the books we'll be seeing next are all from the wish list, but this was the only book I didn't have in my wish list. I was planning on his Zahir or Brita or any other book of his, but 11 Minutes was not in my plan. But then I was having some spare money to spare on books, and so I thought, let me just buy another book. But all the books were then not that great on discount, and 11 Minutes is quite renowned, and when I saw it's on sale, so I thought, why not buy it and we will just see how it goes, because it has a great hype among bookstagrammers, book bloggers and among bibliophiles in general. So I bought it. I got it for 200 rupees in sale. Now let me see what's the original price. Well, the original price in rupees is not given, but in dollars is 7.99. Convert it, you will get the original price. So yes, the next book is 11 Minutes by Paulo Coelho. I'm happy because this book, all his books deal with some kind of story and moral lessons, even in fictions, and this book deals of a prostitute and how she chooses something of her life. Basically it's about life directions and all, and I really love that the author picked up an unconventional character, a prostitute, for the storyline and his protagonist, and I just want to see how the story goes, and so that's it. Okay, so now we are in the last plastic packaging book, and let me tell you, yes, this book is the best steal deal. Even without sale I got it. You'll see why. And I'm happy, it just got delivered yesterday. I say that the last book got delivered yesterday and it's this book. So let's do the unboxing. Okay. Okay. It's The Ministry of Utmost Happiness by Arundhati Roy. Now let me just express my gratitude for this book. We all know Arundhati Roy as a tremendous, brilliant writer, and I have not read her works for the fear that I need very depth in vocabulary and conscious and concentration and everything, and so till date I have not read her books. Now let me say, one of the books I ordered was The White Tiger, and it got cancelled by Flipkart. I didn't cancel it, Flipkart cancelled it, maybe because it was out of stock or something, and I was really sad. It was after the day the sale, the day Flipkart sale ended, the next day I got the message that my White Tiger book was cancelled, and I was really sad. I even posted this status on Instagram. So after that, like, I was feeling so terrible. I just thought, since sale has ended, I will not get a good sale or a good book now in discount or cheap price. And I was just searching randomly in the Flipkart if I will get any other book, because the money was remaining with me now. And then just I was going to buy another book that was not very favorite of mine, but I still thought, okay, let's buy it. Then at that moment I got this book. Now let me tell you the price, and it was 618 in the original price, and I got it for 195 free without delivery fees. So I got nearly 68% off without sale, and it was only one remaining at the time when I ordered. There was only one left in the stock in the sale, and I just ordered it. And I'm really lucky for this candid decision of mine that I just bought it, because the book length and the cover honestly like gratifies me. Like, let me tell you, today I'll be sleeping like this with this one. So I'm so very happy. Now let's check. Enough of shitty blabbering. Now let's check. 195 for this book is too low. Let me say you, I was willing to pay 200 to 300 even in sale for this, because her books have a depth, and her books just make you say wow. And I have not read her work, so this was in my wish list too. You see, though I didn't buy it in the sale, but I got it in more than sale prices and in a better way, in less than the sale prices even. No pirating, doesn't seem so. How to tell a shut up story? By slowly becoming everybody. No, by slowly becoming everything. That's the blurb. It's so soothing and ethereal. Okay guys, we are done with the plastic packages and we are in the last one now, and I'm kinda sad the other ones ended, but I'm happy I could do the unboxing and I can read all these wonderful beauties. And now let's get with the last package and the biggest one, hoping that I'll get at least one bookmark in here. Like, I didn't get one single bookmark in the plastic packages. Like, why Flipkart, why will you do this? Anyways, let's start. Don't know will I get even a small bookmark. One bookmark, I'm saying small bookmark, lol. Okay, let's start. The first one is Frankenstein by Mary Shelley. Now this book is a classic book, and I'm happy I got it because it has a great fame among book lovers, bibliophiles, and people who talk about books in general, classic lovers. And I got in sale. This its original price is 200 and I got it for 68 or 78. 78 I guess. Wait. Frankenstein for 68. Now that's a steal deal you call it. It's, yes, 200 and I got it for 68. Good discount. I love it. Classic book, Penguins collection. It's good. So yes, the first book is in the paper package. It's Frankenstein by Mary Shelley. Let's check if there's any problem with the book. There are some stains here. You can see stains. Other than that, no issues. But okay, I can do with it. It's only the stains I have an issue with, but Okay, no, I can do it. Happy. Okay, next. Okay, the next book is Autobiography of a Yogi, Paramhansa Yogananda. Now this book I have seen so much acknowledged and so much praised by many people from different cultures, different races, and how it's so inspiring and how it's spiritual and at the same time not spiritual, and how it influences you about your life. And it's the story of life of Paramahansa Yogananda, and I am more into the spiritual side. I love dwelling into it and reading more about it, and so I just wanted to buy it sometime, and when I got it in the sale, and I got it at a very good price. Autobiography of a Yogi, its original price is 199 and I got it for 68. Yes, I got it for 68, same price, and I'm happy that I got it for 68. This is steel deal. That's a steel deal you call it. Let's check if there are issues. Hoping not, but still, let's check. The cover is so enchanting of the Yogi ji, Yogananda. Like mesmerizing, like staring at you, and that so at the same time gives peace to you. Yeah, there are pictures too. Nice. Not pirated. Doesn't seem so. See? Nice. Loved it. Autobiography of a Yogi. Okay, the next book is a super special release I was waiting to get my hands on, and it's The 12 Commandments of Being a Woman by Tahira Kashyap. We all know who is Tahira Kashyap. She is the wife of Ayushmann Khurrana, and she doesn't need the tag of the wife of Ayushmann Khurrana because she has her own individual fierce identity. And I really like the way she explains whatever she wants to say to the audience through her Instagram captions or posts or whatever she writes. I really love her articulating sense, and when I saw that she has actually written a book, and many celebrities like Sonali Bindre, Ravina Tandon and many others were praising it, and they were posting videos, and some of them are ardent fans or ardent bibliophiles, and when they are saying this, I really thought, let's see what she has to offer. After all, I'm really looking forward to reading this one because this is a great release of the year, and I really love the cover. Wait, I will show you the cover. See, the cover is so beautiful. Tahira in this red jumpsuit, and we have Twinkle Khanna giving some knowledge of acknowledgement. Okay, so this was for $2.99. and I got it for 150. Yes, I remember I got it for 150 because it was in sale, and it is for 299. Original price is 299 and I got it for 150. Now this is the best fonts I love. Not clumsy, spaces in between, and fonts are really great. Not pirated. Nice, I really loved it because I was really waiting to see what she has to offer, and it's her first book, and let's see what she has to say. And finally we are with the last video, and I am so sad that I didn't get one bookmark in at least one of the packages. No bookmarks. Okay, now this was also a very anticipated read of mine. Now people who know me very nicely, they know how big a fan I am of this person, and I just needed to buy this book. Now it's Death by Sadhguru, Death an Inside Story. Now this is not the Sadhu Baba death story, like how death will give you immortal life or something like that, but a very scientific explanation of how death releases you into the energy of world or something like that. And I have seen so many people say so many good things about it. I didn't find one single criticism about it till now. Maybe I'll find later because we are all subject to different interpretations. But this book is $2.99 and I got it for $126. Now that's a steal deal, you call it. Let's cut it. Such a beautiful cover of Sadhguru. I really adored this man. You may have differentiated opinions about him. There are differentiated opinions about this person, but let me tell you, my life when I was at the lowest of maybe academics, or even now, even when I feel the lowest, it is this person and Gaur Gopal Das that just brings me into the stream of life. And I can't thank this man enough for the amazing pieces of advice he just gives upon randomly on his Sadhguru app or YouTube, where he preaches about all the things he has to say. We may not like or not like, that's a very different thing, but the things he makes us believe in ourselves, that's a very, very, very empowering thing which I feel, and that's the reason I adore this man so much. So let's see Death by Sadhguru. Let me see. Don't be dead serious. Life is a brief sparkle, but you shall be dead for a very long time. Conversations about death are a taboo in most societies in the world. But what if we have got this completely wrong? What if death is not the catastrophe it is made out to be, but an essential aspect of life, rife with spiritual possibilities for transcendence? For the first time, someone is saying just that. Okay. Not pirated, I'm happy. See, there's one picture of him too. I really love where there are presentations of this sort. Like, this just make you feel so good and vivid in the story. Okay, the quality of it. Very nice. Not pirated, not anything bulky book, but more to send by Sadhguru. So yes, I really loved it. So the last book was Death by Sadhguru, and it's a story. So guys, as I said that I would be saying about the price of Myth Equal to Mitha at the end. So this is priced at $299, the original price MRP, and I got it for $165. Now that's a steal deal for me, because now that was all about my unboxing video. You can see all the books I just bought in this sale and one combo from Savings Day sale. I'm really happy. The quantity may not be as much as I expected, because this time the sales weren't that crazy, but I'm happy with how many I got, because all of them were from my wish list except 11 minutes, but I'm happy I got it because it has a different kind of a story, and I just want to read more of it. Let's see what Paulo has to offer to us. Okay, so guys, that was about the Big Billion Day sales and all the books I got from it, and I am happy. I have only two regrets. One, the sale offers were not that great, but it's okay, that regret is manageable. Second, okay, I have three regrets. Second, I couldn't get a hard copy or hardcover, whatever you say. I wanted to have a hardcover, but I didn't find a good hardcover at a good price, and so I couldn't have a hardcover. Let's see what New Year sales bring if I buy something then. We'll be waiting for it, let's see. And third, I didn't get a single bookmark in all of these books. Now that's a real regret. That's a real regret. Like honestly, among all of these books, one bookmark is also not available. That's a real regret. Chalo koi nahi, we will do with it. Okay, so guys, that was it. I hope you loved the video. Bibliophiles will love it, hopefully. So if you have loved it, do like it, comment what you love the most, what you would love to see more of, and what are you waiting for of I should bring for you. Okay, and okay, also one thing, among all of these books, which book you want a review first? Please comment in the comment section below whichever book you want me to give a review of first in Instagram or YouTube, single review. Just do comment in the comment section below. I will look forward to it. And yes, now let's come to the things we were talking about. Like it if you have loved it, comment what you loved, what you didn't love, which of the reviews you want to see see from my side. Subscribe to my channel, because I love posting bookish contents, and I post bookish contents, and I am real every time. And if you want to see more of my shitty blabberings and some crazy me, that's it. And share if you have really loved it, and if you feel that others will also love it as much as you did, and any other bibliophile would love to see the unboxing, or anyone in general who would love to see the unboxing or more of my videos, or the kind of person I am, or the kind of vibe I radiate, whatever it is, if you love it. So yes guys, do like, comment, share, subscribe, do all the good things that is necessary to make me and make my channel grow. And no positive quote, since I told you that it's the month of festivity, so just enjoy. So yes, so that's all for today. Till the next time, bye bye.